the third element which makes Forex broker crypto broker, because as soon as you start providing or opening trading accounts across all your trading platforms in the denominated cryptocurrencies, let's say trading account denominated in Bitcoin. What does it mean? It means that when the traders will be placing the orders, all the profit and loss of those orders will be evaluated in Bitcoin. So actually, in other words, your P&L, profit and loss, will be in Bitcoin. So what does it mean? For example, you deposited 1 Bitcoin, then you started opening and closing position, euro dollar, Bitcoin dollar, you go short Ethereum dollar, you go long euro dollar, you go long, I don't know, Swiss franc against dollar, you go long with Bitcoin dollar now. So you opened, let's say, different positions, and all the positions, all the P&L of those positions, all the profit and losses will be indicated on your trading account and evaluated into the Bitcoin. And for example, now if you bought Bitcoin on the spot market for 21K and you place this order, you place this Bitcoin with the crypto broker who actually provides such service with opening denomination accounts in crypto. Potentially what you can do, if now Bitcoin, let's say, will start moving up, in this case you can potentially open a position with the broker, as many positions as the broker will allow you to open, depends on their margin requirements, and then you will make money on the way up while Bitcoin will be growing up. So in this case, potentially you can make a double profit. So that's why many users, you know, when they buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other crypto, they kind of don't want to sell it on the spot market. They want to hold it, especially on these old DeFi markets. The DeFi market allows them to use different business models when they can lend Bitcoin and they can borrow by using collateral as a Bitcoin. They can borrow actually stable coins, USDT. The same we can apply for the Forex broker who do open accounts denominated in different cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. For example, if you as a broker you start providing such service, potentially you can attract many new audience which prefer to hold Bitcoin instead of selling them on the spot market. But while they hold this Bitcoin because they strongly believe that Bitcoin will go up to 60, 65, 100, 500K, no matter. They prefer to hold this Bitcoin. That's why in this case, they can keep their Bitcoin within your broker environment on his trading account as a user and make their trading, like continue his trading. So that's the beauty. And you can denominate accounts in different cryptocurrencies. Of course, you need to think about all majors because some of the users, they prefer to diversify their portfolio. Sometimes they include into their portfolio all the major cryptocurrencies, let's say top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, Binance Coin, and all these, let's say, top 10. And then what you can do, you can potentially provide to your users. So what all you need to do just on your trading platform, which might be a MetaTrader or CTrader. So on both of them, you can easily open account denominated in those the crypto pairs or cryptocurrencies. So, and all what you need to do, just create the groups, and then when the client will be opening accounts, so you can give them the list of all the groups, and client can choose one of the groups. So that's one of the things, and I think it's also very important. But of course, guys, for strong jurisdictions, for the strong, let's say, not soft but very high regulated jurisdictions, in such cases, it's going to be, for now at least, pretty complicated to provide such service, to allow users to open account denominated in cryptocurrencies, because in this case, from regulatory point of view, you as a broker, you will have exposure in those cryptocurrencies, because right now when you accept dollars or euros, of course you keep your dollars, euros, clients across segregated client funds accounts, and when the clients, I don't know, let's say 10 clients, they have $1 million, another like 10 clients, they have a €1 million exposure. Not exposure in terms of the trading positions, but in terms of the treasury. And in this case, you as a broker, what all you need to do, you need to mitigate the risk between the currencies, dollars and euros. So if your clients, they prefer to open accounts denominated in euros, so you have to make sure that it's the liabilities in those euros will be equal to your euros that you have across your cash bank and trading accounts on liquidity providers and actual cash on bank accounts. So, and all what you need to do, you need to manage this let's say treasury stuff. So you have to always check your exposure, your actual cash and currencies, and your liabilities, and what kind of currencies you have in terms of liabilities in front of clients. So that's all those three parameters you always have to check. And in this case, we can try to compare this approach with the cryptocurrency markets. And in this case, if you as a broker, you provide this service that you allow users to open account for, I don't know, 10 different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, ADA, Cardano, Ethereum, Ripple, Polkadot, and all the Binance coin and all these coins. So in this case, can you imagine, you have to make sure that all the P&L is right, so you manage your position across your liquidity providers in the right way. And also you have to think about treasury, so you have to think what is your liabilities in front of clients, in what currencies your liabilities, and what is the currencies and equivalent of those liabilities you have in treasury on your bank accounts, across your wallets, cold wallet, cryptocurrency processing providers, liquidity providers, and actual AMIs and banks in fiat. So you see how many factors you have to take care of in order to run successful Forex broker, which want to be evolved eventually into the crypto broker. Because, you know, guys, my personal opinion that in sometime in a pretty short time of couple of years maximum, I think the Forex and crypto broker as a definition, it will become eventually one single broker. Because right now, you know, we can call it OTC broker. Because as I said, as I started in the beginning, that there are Forex brokers and crypto brokers, but both of them, they work on one single OTC market. So this OTC market is kind of market where there's no central point of execution. This is why when we do all the deals, we can call it that OTC market is happening right here, right now. And in this case, I believe that all the fiat currencies in 1, 2, 3 years maximum, believe me, keep on the record this day and put on your calendar, and every year check my words. So I'm betting 100% that that's what is gonna happen, that's what we're gonna see. And eventually all those fiat currencies, they will evolve into either CDBC, or at least every single currency will have their own stable coin. So every country will have, will provide or will grant the license to one of the, I don't know, token issuer, which will hold the fiat currencies and issue instead the into the crypto economy, the circulation of those fiat currencies. And all the obstacles, all the headaches with all these banks finally will disappear, believe me guys, because you know banks now, they are super struggling because of all those regulations. They have to keep this 100 people compliance team, 100 people IML team. And all of this, they try to prevent some money laundering, they try to prevent some hacks, they try to prevent some I don't know, some illegal things or something. Of course they do, and we do respect, because they try to keep this world clean and efficient. But of course the people who have those kind of intention, they will anyways find a way. That's why all what we have to do, we have to take care about KYC, about conducting proper know your business process, and take care about products, clients, and servicing. So what I'm trying to say is that in a couple of years, all the currencies eventually either will become SIC BDC, which is central bank digital currency. So eventually it's going to be centralized blockchain based tokens from central banks. Because CBDC, what does it mean? It means that it's a central bank issued his tokens, centralized tokens on centralized blockchain. So it's a full control blockchain, and potentially they can cancel or reverse or block any transaction and wallet. So that's why the difference between the real fiat bank account and CBDC will be almost zero. And this is why actually we believe that eventually in a couple of years we will see either all those existing fiat currencies will have their stable coins, like Euro already. The Tether company, for example, they already launched their Euro T. It's kind of the same like USDT, but of course it's European, so they try to create a stable coin for Euro. And as we see now, the capitalization of this token, Euro T, is very low, and nobody uses it because nobody trusts it. But at the same time, you can see that USDT, USDC, USDP, and all like TUSD, all these regulated stable coins. Okay, USDT is not kind of super regulated, but the all rest, USDC, USDP, TUSD, it's a super regulated stable coin, and GUSD as well, Gemini USD. But the capitalization big is only for the USDC, and everybody trusts USDC, everybody wants to use USDC, and now a lot of brokers, a lot of crypto holders, a lot of companies, they diversify their portfolio, so they spread actually their holdings across those two stable coins like USDT, USDC, and some of them they also hold their holdings across different small stable coins, which is, for example, DAI, which is decentralized stable coin DAI. It's also a couple of small stable coins, and of course after what happened to Luna, to Terra, to this stable coin, we lost also some money, you know, and because we had to have liquidity, because we launched this token, you know, and we processed these tokens for the clients. And we had our holdings in Terra in order to be able to facilitate the transactions, right? So now that's why we had to buy it. And when all this event, let's say, happened, so we lost also pretty sufficient amount there. And after that, I said myself, no way to add any algorithmic stable coin unless it will be regulated, because right now we never dealt actually with all those algorithmic or super small stable coins, and it was a successful strategy. So we work always with the majors, and once we tried, so we kind of failed it, or they failed it, you know, and that's why we decided now to not facilitate any suspicious and not reliable stable coin, especially in terms of algorithmic stable coins. I'm very glad that US already, the Congress, they are now considering the new legislation for the stable coins, which all the stable coins have to be regulated, and there will be a proper treasury, custody, trustee, all these participants who will facilitate all this environment, infrastructure, but at the same time they will make sure that all the clients' holdings, they are keeping or holdings on the safe spaces, and they actually will be making sure that all those companies, the token issuers, will be able to pay back all the money or have a liquidity to immediately convert stable coins in the actual fiat funds. So this is why, guys, as I said, we believe that eventually through 1, 2, 3 years, the definition like Forex broker and crypto broker will be disappeared because you are broker. And if you satisfy all these 3 points, like you have trading crypto CFD pairs, you making deposit withdrawals with crypto, no matter you use all coins, stable coins, or you deal only with regulated stable coins, anyways, anyone is good. Anyway is good for all your end users. So the users will be happy. They will be delighted to work to make a deposit with you through crypto. And the third component, it's more complex, but still it's achievable. And if you have a proper team and they can manage your cash, your treasury, your wallets, your liabilities, your exposure, and they can manage all this risk, they have proper systems in place, then you can add also the third components as a denomination trading accounts in different cryptos. And as soon as you satisfy or execute all those 3 points and you add them into your broker, immediately you become kind of crypto/forex broker. But crypto/forex broker, it means you are OTC broker. This is why, guys, we believe that eventually all the brokers and this industry like Forex and CFD eventually will be one single industry. Because you think within the crypto industry they don't care about Forex industry or Forex market? Not really. They are also keen to work with the Forex, but the super crypto oriented users, they just don't like OTC brokerage trading platforms. That's why they rather choose crypto exchange or spot exchange or perpetual futures exchange instead of working with OTC brokers. So that's why it's completely two different audience, but also as long as you provide kind of additional valued services and extra things for the users, traders, such as the education, super good quality service, because you know on the exchanges and especially perpetual futures exchanges, it's pretty rare you will find the exchanges who provide very high quality customer support. It's almost impossible for them because they have all those million trading users, so they have to take care about them. Of course, they try to push themselves to be on those level in terms of customer support, but it's really hard to achieve. So for Forex broker, it's a bit easier because they already have infrastructure. The Forex, it's even more competitive market, and this is why brokers, in order to survive, they had to take care about all these basic things from very beginning, as a technology, as a liquidity, as a regulation, as a customer support, as a financing, legal, and all this stuff, and marketing, of course. So this is why we believe that eventually the Forex market and crypto market will be merged all together. It's going to be one single market, and all what you need, guys, to do just to follow existing trends. Don't run against the wind. No need. Don't run against the wall. So just follow trends. If now you are super regulated Forex broker, you are super conservative, it's okay. But what stop you to launch your second brand? To launch your second brand, to make different tests, to play around there, so to try how it will be work out. So, and then you will realize what is mistake you have done here, what is good thing here, what is regulation is doing there, what is the things are moving here. So you will combine all the pieces all together, and finally you will realize how to do all this in the right way. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I believe this information will be super helpful for you in order to run different business models across your brokerages. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here, so you will receive, make a ring, so you will receive all the notifications upon the updating new videos, releasing new videos. And of course, please write in your comments what kind of topics and what you actually would like to know, what you would like to talk about. So please don't hesitate just to leave your comments there. Okay, thank you very much. It was me, Azizov Artur, CEO of B2Broker Group of companies, from this lovely place from Cyprus. Thank you. Bye bye.